Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find about complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of this one. We have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So we do first derivative of this one. We keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first derivative of lambda s, and we have lambda. Now we have second derivative of this one, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution, so this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. Next, e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. Now we need to find the solutions of this one, and we know that this one that is about identities, so we have lambda minus number 1 to the power of 2. So that means we have lambda minus 1 multiplied by lambda minus 1 equal to number 0. So we have two solutions, but we have same number 1. Now we have about yc equals to c number 1. That is about the constant number 1 e to the power of lambda s. Now we need to change lambda into number 1, and we have 1s, so we just put s. So we have c number 2 s e to the power of s. Because we have same solutions, that's why we need to multiply by 1 unit, and that is about s. Now let's go to particular solutions. So in this situation, I will use about variation of parameter. So in this situation, I will put about y number 1 equals to this one, and y number 2 equals to this one, and 3 of s equals to this one. Now we need to find about Wronskian. So that should be about the matrix. So we see that we have only y1 and y number 2. So we need to create the matrix number 2 multiplied by number 2. So y number 1 I will put in here, and later that we do first the derivative of y number 1. Y number 2 we put in here, and first the derivative of y number 2 we put in here. So y number 1 we put this one cone here, and this one we keep the same. Y number 2 we put this one cone here, and first the derivative of this one we have like this. Now we put this one multiplied by this one minus this one multiplied by this one. So we have like this. So we simplify and we have e to the power of 2s. And now we can find about y particular solution. That is about negative y number 1 multiplied by the integration y number 2 multiplied by 3s over Wronskian ds plus y number 2 multiplied by the integration y number 1 multiplied by 3s over Wronskian ds. So we put everything in here. Three-s, that is about this one. Wronskian, and that is about this one. So we simplify e to the power of s, e to the power of s, we have e to the power of 2s. So we simplify and we have s squared, l and s. This one we have s, l and s. So I will show you the technique how to find this integration and this integration. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to l and s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. dv we have s squared ds. The integration of this one we have v equals to s to the power of 3 over 3. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have 1 over 3 and we have the integration s squared over 2. Oh sorry, s squared ds. Next, the integration of this one we have s to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. So this one we have s to the power of 3 over 9. Now let's go to the second one. We do the same technique. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one that is about this one. This one that is about this one. And now we have the final answer. Y equals to yc plus yp. Yc that is about this one. And yp that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.